In 1921, the Spanish company SICE commenced operations, developing and delivering electrical application projects. Since the 1970s, SICE has specialised in the design and manufacture of analog-type electronic traffic regulators. SICE has more than 20 years of activity in the tolling market, with more than 30 projects incorporating 2,700 kilometres of monitored highway around the world. SICE is a world leader in the free-flow traffic industry, having successfully completed Autopista Central, Vespucio Norte, San Cristóbal Tunnel and EastLink. These multi-lane free-flow projects have a combined total of 146 tolled traffic lanes. In 2005, SICE was awarded the contract to design, build and install the complete tolling system for EastLink, Australia's largest road development. EastLink is 39 kilometres of freeway that connects the eastern and southeastern suburbs of Melbourne. It is a major commuter road that bypasses 45 sets of traffic lights. Construction cost was around Australian $3.5 billion that was open to traffic 5 months ahead of schedule and within budget. SICE developed the complete tolling system solution produced under the strictest testing, training and quality assurance guidelines. The successful implementation of this complex project validates the rigorous adherence to SICE's project management methodology. More than 400 software and hardware engineers were involved with project teams located in Spain, India, Sweden and Australia. Let's take a look at all of the components designed, installed and tested by SICE for EastLink. The roadside equipment, or RSE, is responsible for gathering traffic information. It consists of the gantry structure, the tolling equipment and the SICE TSMC, altogether known as a tolling point. The EastLink project had 13 of these located on 52 gantries to monitor 76 lanes. These gantries are the largest gantry beams in any multi-lane free-flow project with a beam length in excess of 30 metres. Rather than manufacture and install 2 separate gantries, SICE innovatively designed standard beams with a central gantry leg to support dual-man gantries. This groundbreaking design, together with innovative installation techniques, significantly reduced manufacturing and installation time and costs. As a vehicle passes under a tolling point, RSE collects tag, front and rear license plate information and vehicle classification. With multi-lane configurations, the system is designed to handle a maximum traffic load of 3,000 vehicles per lane per hour. Vehicles are detected at speeds of up to 160 km an hour at 1 metre spacing minimum. SICE TSMC. The SICE TSMC, fully developed and owned by SICE, is the software application that receives and processes all information from RSE and sends it to SICE's Tolling Operating System, or TOS. The SICE TSMC manages all data and communications exchanged between the RSE and the central system. Strengths of the SICE TSMC include enhanced control of the RSE, meaning that it can be easily integrated with a variety of RSE vendors, a unique maintenance and configuration tool compatible with any RSE provider, and a standalone storage capability of more than 30 days. SICE TOS. The TSMC sends the toll data from the 13 tolling points to be processed and managed to SICE's Toll Operating System, or SICE TOS. The performance figures for the SICE TOS are impressive. SICE TOS handles more than 6 million transits, more than 5 million multi-gantry trips and processes more than 2 million images a day. SICE TOS is capable of supporting more than 80 operators working simultaneously, reviewing license plate numbers with an average time of 5 seconds per image. Initially developed for the multi-lane free-flow projects in Chile, the new generation of SICE TOS adapts to the specific requirements of EastLink. This system improves the overall system accuracy by adding intelligence with configurable decision rules. SICE TOS multi-concession design allows it to manage different highways and concessionaries using a unique BOCS with a corresponding potential savings in operational costs. SICE TOS provides a wide range of tolling products including tag, video, pre- or postpaid accounts, multi-trip vouchers, discounts and increments by the day of the week and time of travel. CSS. SICE TOS information is easily accessible through the Customer Service System Interface or CSS. CSS enables the Customer Service Centre to set up and access customer accounts and manage billing information. The system designed for EastLink can accommodate up to 200 customer service agents working simultaneously, with additional capabilities including the ability to handle 160,000 calls, 2,000 inbound emails and 12,000 emails outbound a month. CSS has been designed to be fully integrated with other software applications such as CRM, ERP and the billing engine. This enables external companies such as the Mailing House, debt collection agencies and other toll operators in Australia to exchange information with the SICE tolling system. Web portal. Customers are able to set up their own online accounts using the web portal, reducing the workload on the customer contact centre. Up to 500 users can access the portal concurrently, adding new vehicles to their accounts, making payments, changing personal details, purchasing trip passes, and accessing information about their trips and charges. System environment. SICE uses state-of-the-art hardware to support their system environment. Security is strengthened with the addition of a robust disaster recovery strategy. The disaster recovery tools implemented by SICE for the EastLink project guarantee business continuity in case of major disaster. The system architecture is distributed between multiple sites. However, the system has the capability to operate with only one of the 2 sites active. Geographically distributed backup implementation ensures that redundant copies of data can be restored in case of disaster. Key features of the system architecture include a production environment with more than 50 servers and 50 terabyte storage online data replication, quality assurance and separate training environment. The platform, modular with multiple capabilities of reconfiguration, has a storage scalability capacity of up to 240 terabytes, as well as the capability to store backups in tape of up to 560 terabytes. Testing. In order to comply with the highest of industry standards and SICE management plans, testing activities were divided into internal testing, factory acceptance test, site acceptance test, system integration acceptance test, and PV FAT. To ensure the robustness of the system, in excess of 4,500 tests were performed. Quality. With a project the size of EastLink, a rigorous quality system was implemented and maintained during the entire execution of the project. Special attention was placed on change and configuration management, as well as documentation control. To ensure compliance with the project requirements, 84 audits of the processes and elements were conducted during the project, with 438 actions addressed. Training. SICE developed a comprehensive training plan covering not only the contact centre roles, but also the more technical and complex ones. SICE technical writers and trainers worked with developers and testers to develop user manuals from the technical specifications and test scripts. Over 279 training documents were created, with more than 2,000 hours of formal training administered. By training EastLink trainers and the frontline operators on how to use the SICE tolling system, it has given the concessionaire complete knowledge to effectively operate the SICE tolling system.
SICE is the market leader in the number and size of multi-lane free-flow projects delivered worldwide. Our expertise is based on our deep understanding on the rules of tolling and especially multi-lane free-flow operations, the implementation of strict international standard methodologies during the entire duration of the project, and finally, our independent approach in selecting the best providers available and integrating their solutions with our in-house software development. SICE is the #1 free flow projects provider because of our track record in delivering projects ahead of time, within budget, and always exceeding customer expectations.